Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of tabletop gaming with a product that's been making waves among RPG enthusiasts. If you're searching for the best miniature objects to enhance your gameplay, look no further than the Arcknight flat plastic miniatures. This incredible set features 62 unique background-themed miniatures specifically designed for Dungeons & Dragons 5e and Pathfinder. Whether you're a seasoned dungeon master or just starting your tabletop adventure, these miniatures are not only affordable but also incredibly versatile. What sets these miniatures apart is their durable yet flexible transparent plastic construction. They're designed to withstand the rigors of play while remaining lightweight and easy to transport. Each mini pops easily in and out of its base, making setup and teardown a breeze, which is especially handy for those of us who like to keep things moving during game night. These miniatures are printed with high-color, double-sided designs. This means you can flip them around to match your setting, adding depth and variety to your scenes without needing an entire army of figures. Imagine leading your party through a dense forest, with your miniatures vividly representing everything from trees to treasures. Storage and travel are other critical factors when it comes to tabletop games, and the Arcknight miniatures shine in this area. They pack flat, making them incredibly easy to stow away in your gaming kit. No more bulky boxes taking up space. These miniatures are as practical as they are eye-catching. As you dive into your campaign, you'll find that the 62 unique designs can represent various objects and scenery elements, enhancing your narrative experience. Want to depict a mystical forest? Or maybe an ominous dungeon? These miniatures have you covered. Whether you're setting the stage for an epic battle or simply creating an immersive environment, the Arcknight flat plastic miniatures are the best companion for your tabletop sessions. With their affordability and diverse options, they make it easy to elevate your game without breaking the bank. In addition to their practicality, these miniatures also support small business brands, so you're making a purchase that contributes to the community. So, if you're looking to level up your tabletop experience, consider adding the Arcknight flat plastic miniatures to your collection. They might just be the best miniatures you can get your hands on. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gaming product insights.